Welcome to the part 13 of the Gregg Shorthand course. In this video, we are going to have a look at frequent phrases, which means that we are going to have a look at the phrases which occur frequently while writing. The first one is of the. This is made like this. Next one is to the. It is made like this. Next is it is. This is made like this. Next one is I am. This is made like this. Next is to you. This is made like this. Next is and the. This is made like this. Next is that the. This is made like this. Next is by the. It is made like this. Next one is you can. This is made like this. Next is at the. This is made like this. Next is will be. This is made like this. Next one is of you. This is made like this. Next is it was. It is made like this. Next is he was. This is made like this. Next one is the. This is made like this. Alright, so that was all about it.